optical art. Okay guys, as you can see the price is pumping. I want to cover yesterday's live stream. I was telling you guys pay attention to this red line. I'm going to give you some price targets as well. If you do want to access these charts, website's opticalartcrypto.com. I'll have a link pinned in the first comment in the description. $39 a month to get access to all the Bitcoin, altcoins, precious metal charts, get access to our Discord, and you can follow me on Twitter. My Twitter is private. I do have stocks and tutorials that is separate. If you're interested in lifetime content, see the contact page. So this is yesterday's live stream. Let me just play a little clip of this. This is 46 minutes 54 seconds in, and again this is 23 hours ago. I think as long as you're below this red line, I think if we break above this, expect a pump. This is the C1 chart. As long as you're below this red line, I'm expecting us to push down. As soon as we cross this, I expect a pump. So, and this is what I was talking about, this chart. This is the C1 chart. This red line is part of a larger fib channel structure. Every time we hit one of these lines, we get rejected. So we got rejected here. I was saying as soon as we cross it, we can get a pump. This was also on Twitter. I made a tweet here. This was 11 hours ago. Watch red line on C1 chart. We get above, we can get a nice pump. As long as we're underneath, we can start moving down like the last two. So that's what I was talking about right here. See, we got rejected at this point. We hit it, we got rejected again. As long as we're below it, we go down. As soon as we cross it, we get a pump. You can see how it played out. We did get rejected previously before we got that pump, but you can see what happened. Came down, tested the support, got a pump. So let me give you some price target, show you what to look for. Again, this is what I was talking about. You know, once it was resistance, they said if we get above it, we expect a pump. We came down, found support, and we pushed up. So I'm gonna give you some price targets to pay attention to. So currently your support below right now on this chart, you see this line has been a lot of support and resistance right here. Resistance, we just broke above it. So your closest support level to watch on the C1 chart is right here, about 62,000. This is the B1 chart. Notice that this is where we got topped out currently. So your current resistance right now is 63,000. The next resistance above is right here at 63,832. Your support below is right here at 61,970, and you will have very strong support down here at 61,318. This is the larger structure we're in. Pay attention to this. You can see that we were in this pattern here. This was support, resistance, support, resistance. We broke above it, we're pushing up. We're also in a larger structure. Let me give her this MACD and RSI. This is the larger structure we're in. Pay attention to this. Resistance, support, resistance, support. We're finding resistance, came down, found support. Now we broke above it. So this is the larger structure we're in. This could break to the upside. We could come back down, test this, and break to the downside. So do keep that in mind. But your first two upside targets to watch, let me get rid of this right here. So your first two upside targets to watch is going to be this ring. This is right here at 65,300. If we push above that, we'll be testing the top of this wedge, potentially 67,878. So keep that in mind. If we do push above that, I think the target might be around 80,000. But if we do get rejected at any point, either here or here, and we break this point, guys, right down here is the 20-week moving average. So this is very important. If we get rejected here, we can still come down and test this 20-week. This is the 20-week right here. So again, if we come down, this is your buy-in here. Obviously, if we break to the upside, you know, I covered this in the previous live streams. You want to check that out. But anyways, your first upside targets to watch is going to be right here, potentially 65,250 to 67,800. Guys, that's pretty much it. If you want to access these charts, the website's opticalartcrypto.com. We pin the first comment in the description. For $39 a month, get access to Bitcoins, altcoins, precious metals, access to our Discord. You can follow me on Twitter. Stocks and tutorials are separate. If you're interested in lifetime, contact me through the contact page. That's it. I'll keep you updated on Twitter and Discord. Trade safe. I'm out. Peace.